can say no lay no eat no from morning.
All queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey, what going? Up top boss represent for Tash. I tell us to subscribe and watch the ads on YouTube. See it? Full year, man. Up top, bro.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a little vloggy vlog. I haven't done that in a while. I'm going on a shoot, as you probably read in the title already. So I'm on my way. Not late as yet, but I think I'm going to end up late because I should reach 11 a.m. and it's now 10:47, I think. Yeah. So I'm in the taxi. Like how my taxi man have all essentials, alcohol, spray bottles, Lysol, everything, mask, everything like that. So big up city guide. It's a spice shoot with Shaggy and Sean Paul. I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog like the behind the scenes like that, because normally with their shoots, them supposed to drop them sneak peek, and them supposed to drop everything first. So if I am able to record, it will be after their video drops. I can drop my vlog, okay? So see you when I get there. My makeup is half done, by the way. I only did my eyes because I'm running late, and I'm rather show up on time and finish there. Get it? Anyway, see you guys there. Say hi. So guys, now I'm never get for another vlog because it's a club scene. In here is so dark, and as I come, them want me finish ready and put on my good clothes. So I'm gonna put on my good clothes now and go on set. I will see how much footage we can get. The bathroom literally just empty out, so I'm gonna get rid of this.
But you know I'm a shy person. These two.
It's for lips, yes, baby. But I can't make you put it on your lips. I don't know if your mommy will curse. Who is your mommy? Ask grandma if you can put on lip gloss first. You have to ask grandma.
And I can put on lip gloss and now baby.
No, but you're putting it on from a stranger. You have to ask her first. You understand? It's for my hair.
This is a brush.
Yeah, brush for my hair also.
Better than this reggae guy. I can do this every.
So we are in the club. Yan side to the vlog. I have my boobies on your coat. That's how I want it. Any kind of bag. But there, the shoot is going. You can't say that.
Thus far. I don't know how it is.
Yeah, we'll just stay here and we'll watch. Spectator.
Cheers.
Non-alcoholic. Born bitches. Period. Over there. And kind of hungry still. You need extra hungry.
One, two spices.
What am I going to give it? You gonna come defend it for you?
I demand.
You're putting it you're putting it out in the atmosphere.
Yes.
So that it will come
I'm
and
putting it up
happen.
here, so when I'm not gonna tell them, but when I'm turn, the man knows, oh, she wants this, that's
So I'm gonna make it happen because she put it out there. Manifest it. Manifestation is key. So, long time I do a shoot, but then your spice name, you know, you have to put it up. Yannick, I like blinding.
Tashfierce and spice.
The catch I like. Guys, look close one on the eye. Close one, man on the blind. Oh my god.
I will blind you.
So now we just actually try to get some footage. And we can actually post.
Keep me from your project stuff. I mean, you can try to post this.
I'm going to post the 1 year and I'm going to post. Even if I'm going to post it and delete it after, I'm going to post it. That post to prove Yannick wrong. It does look kind of big today, I don't know why. I'm going to think me I lose weight. Are the contour wrong? I don't like it. Anyways, we start to vlog again when something actually happen. Now we just away from food and away from wagwan. Me no white, me probably dirty my clothes. She up here so it's careful this so dirty my clothes.
You want to see some coming?
Yeah. Shaggy's over there. No, that's more okay. Shaggy over there. With Jay will the producer. Are we over here so? This is Rebel guys. Hi guys, this is Tamar I-Octane.
What are you?
I didn't even tell us the I. Alright, so can go. Yeah, yeah.
Speak up for yourself. Speak up black. Where?
Anyways, guys, moment of silence, please. I sneeze, I just sneeze. Guys, moment of silence. Cheers to 10 freaking K. Oh my god. I'm literally on a shoot. And I had to make this video today. Okay. So say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
So we're gonna open again.
Yeah, big up yourself, you know, it's Jamal Fame team I represent for Tash. You see that? Fierce. You see how she pretty? Yeah, I don't want some little pervert man just running for her thing. I just want to support and you don't know the thing, you don't know. Smile, man, like it.
I'm smiling.
Yeah, so the thing.
On the press the red button, you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right up there. See that?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, big up on yourself.
And share to the man only know, so the man want to.
Yeah, man, because you don't know the thing
And
affect viral. You don't know? Big up on yourself. Out.
Guys, we literally in our line for food. We're not that hungry. Line for food. Put them for that hungry. I'm not joining. I feel like I finally get some food. Yannick and this, you and this, right there, so of the same line. Right, so done it, done. Hey guys, so we have come to the end of today's video. I am currently speaking in current time today, Sunday, when I'm going to try and upload this video. Y'all already know I don't dance, but when I heard Spice, Shaggy, Sean Paul, for some reason I was not expecting it to be a dancing video, in which the producer said just come and look cute, in which that's all I can do. So that's what I did. So in these few clips, I'm just highlighting where I spot myself, and also where that's the same exact spot where most of y'all tagged me in. Big up Uno, cause me never know said the video out. I've been having this vlog in my phone almost a year now. So finally. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.